look at that cow in the barnyard, the big bulky cow eating hay. Well, if all she eats is grass and wheat, how did she grow that way? They say I need meat to be healthy, but I think they told me a lie. 'Cause look at that cow in the barnyard, she's 50 times stronger than I. And look at that horse in the pasture, running so free in the breeze. She never eats Jesus or meat, and she isn't weak in the knees. They told me I need meat for protein, but I think they missing for me. 'Cause look at that horse in the pasture, run circles and circles round me. And look at that elephant grazing and grabbing those leaves with her trunk. Eats grasses and roots and occasionally fruits, and no one dares call her a punk. They said red meat builds strong bodies, but I think I beg to differ. Just look at that elephant grazing. I wouldn't want to tangle with her. Oh no, I wouldn't want to tangle with her. Remember the ape in the jungle? Bananas, that's all for his lunch. No flesh foods at all, and he's broad and he's tall, and I'll bet his arms pack a punch. They claim we are carnivore creatures, but I think their insight is dim. Remember the ape in the jungle? Even Tarzan ran from him. Mrs. Giraffe has a secret. We're living in simplicity. McDonald's is not where she takes her tots. She just takes them out to a tree. They said we would grow tall on burgers, but that's not the best way I found. 'Cause Mrs. Giraffe has a secret, and her kids are the tallest around. Yes, her kids are the tallest round town. This we can learn from the hippo, who basks in the African sun. If you're vegetarian, you won't get too thin. This hippo weighs over a ton. They said I get real skinny, but friend, I'm not losing a pound. This we can learn from the hippo. Miss Hippo's around this around. Miss Hippo is really round.